Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Manga Plus for free. Want to read Manga Plus for free? Yes, how to? Here's how you can do it easily. The first step is check internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, that might be problem for the app. So turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds, then on again. You also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. And the second step is install the app. Download Manga Plus on from your App Store or Play Store. If you are iPhone user, open the App Store, and if you are Android user, open the Google Play Store, and yes, you can see the Manga Plus search and download Manga Plus. And the only step is read free chapters. Most manga series offer the first few chapters and the latest chapters completely free. Just tap the series and reading. And the only step is open the Manga Plus app on your phone. And the only step is first time free chapters. Sometimes title allow free first time reading of all chapters, and you can read each chapter once without paying. And the ownership use the free library. Check the free or feature section where new manga and promotional chapters are available at no cost. And that's how you can read manga on Manga Plus for free. If Manga Plus not working, then you might be choose the another mangas. Go and search on browser. And that's it. That's how you can read manga on Manga Plus for free. And thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget if this video helped you, don't forget to share and like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.